Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using some polishes from Rosalind. I posted them in the last video, but here they are. They glow in the dark and they are also really bright. So I am doing this wavy design today. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with some Gershon. I'm using the color Natural Pink. Unfortunately, they do not sell this anymore. They reverted over to clothing. So, yeah, I'm down to my last bit of Gershon. Anywho, I'm just putting the product at the base of the nail, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out towards the end. I'm not going to put it on the whole entire nail. I'm just going to blend it out, and you'll see exactly what I mean once I am done with this nail. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Hey boo! Don't forget to share this video to someone who might like it, and turn on that bell so you won't miss when I post a new video. Also, the link to everything that I use will be down in the description. Besides the Gershon polygel, everything else will be linked down below. So I'm literally just putting the polygel onto the base of the nail and then blending it upwards. The reason I'm doing this is because the tip of the nails are going to be painted anyway, so there's no point in having product at the tips if they're not even going to be noticeable, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing to every nail, so go ahead and enjoy this application process, and then I will hop back in when it's time to file. By the way, I am flash curing each nail as I go. So please do not forget to cure your nails, you guys, please. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my barrel bit and clean up the cuticle areas with any extra product that came out. So now I have my colors and I'm just going to go ahead and put them on my palette. I finally found my nail art palette, so we're using that today, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a dab of each color, and then we're going to get into this nail art. Now that I am done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some white gel polish, and I'm just going to use that as my base. I'm just basically going to cover all the parts that I did not put polygel, and I'm just going to make it look wavy. So now I'm just going in with the colors. I am so sorry, you guys. It was focusing on my right hand instead of focusing where the nail art was going. But I tried to zoom in as much as I could so you guys could see what I was doing. But basically, if you want to do this, I would just suggest you doing it how you want to. And just making sure your lines are exactly how you want them to be. And that's just what I was trying to do, and that's probably why like it was kind of out of focus sometimes. So yeah, I'm so sorry, you guys. Hopefully you still can see and get the gist of what I was doing. process was actually much longer than expected. Like, seriously, way longer than expected. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done with that, I am going in with some top coat, and I'm just going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds once I'm done. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but these gel polishes do glow in the dark. And they are so cute. I love how they turned out. Had to put it back in the lamp so you can see how bright they get. It's just so nice. much, you guys. So now I'm just going in with some cuticle oil, and then I'm going to give you guys those angles, because it wouldn't be a Shea Nailed It video without those angles. Alright, y'all, so here's those angles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This one is a little bit more shorter, but I just wanted to show you guys how these colors looked and that they glowed in the dark, because I completely forgot that they were luminous. So I did want to do a video on these so you could see, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video to someone who might like it, and subscribe if you are new, and turn that bell on so you won't miss a video. And that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.